Hi everyone, welcome back to HowTechs. Today we have an iPhone 7. We're going to show you how to set an alarm and delete an alarm. So you want to go to the clock function, which is the one that looks like a clock. Click on that and you actually have multiple tabs here. World clock, alarm, bedtime, stopwatch, and timer. You can guess what most of those are. Alarm is what we're interested in today. So we have no alarm, so you want to make an alarm. Just click on this plus here on the top right. And now you can set the time. So just pull the dial to set the time. Let's go to 12 noon or maybe midnight. Let's set it for midnight. And now you can actually choose multiple options here. So if you want to repeat every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, you can do that. And now it says Monday, Wednesday, Friday. You can set a name for it. So alarm, go to bed. So you can actually choose the sounds. So if you go here, you can see all the built-in ringtones. You can actually choose from your iTunes music as well. But we'll just go there. And you can also choose whether or not you want to allow snooze as an option as well. So anyway, once you have it the way you want, just do save. Now you can see the alarm is set for midnight on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, telling me to go to bed early. If you want to enable or disable this alarm, just click on the button there. And if you want to erase an alarm, just go to edit, and then you can see you can basically delete it there. So there's no undo button once you click that, so be careful. So that's the basics on how you add or delete an alarm on the iPhone 7. If you have any questions, please leave them below. Do consider giving us a thumbs up and check out our other how-to videos for the iPhone 7 and many other popular phones here on HowTechs. Thanks and bye. Okay, so one more thing, let's just try out the pen just for fun. So as soon as you take it out, it seems to know.